Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm introducing my son to African food. He's just 6 months old, and yeah, I need to teach him. So guys, subscribe if you have subscribed already, and let's dive in. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And yeah, so guys, he wants to eat alone, like seriously. I'm trying to be calm with him, trying to give him water, but yeah. He loves to lick soup. He loves OGBONO soup. And that's what I'm giving him to eat now. You see? But it's like today's not the right time for him. Let's see how he's gonna react. Look at his reaction. Oh my god, look at his face. When my son is angry, his face is something else. Let's see. Okay, I just had that one because I don't want it to waste. Okay, I'm gonna give him a little portion to see if he's gonna eat or not. No, he said no, he refused. We are done. We are done. I tried as much as possible to feed him with this fufu and OGBONO soup, but yeah. He loves drinking water, and that's what I'm happy for. I'm so happy about that he loves drinking water. Yeah, mama wants to drink because I ate from the food as well. You see, he always likes to look at me when I'm drinking water. I don't know why. Mama's hand is a bit messy, but don't mind me. Look at. Guys, we are done now. I can't do this anymore with him. So guys, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Join this family if you love my son. Yeah, look at, he's laughing. He's laughing. Guys, can you see the difference between me and my son? Like he looks like like I went to adopt him because his color is totally different. Like he's so fair, and I'm so dark where he is. All right, let me not talk too much. He's so cute. I love him. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in our next video. Please subscribe, join this family. Thank you so much. Yeah, so I pray he takes it next time, so I'm gonna film it for us to see. Yeah, for mukbang.
Clap. Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.